In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your wiper blades on a 2017 Ford Escape. But this wiper blade should also fit the 2013 through 2020 Ford Escape. So I'm going to lift up the wiper arm, press these two tabs over here, take the blade off. It's that easy. Then I'm going to open up my package and get my new wiper blade with my new clip over here. And it wants you to pull the clip, to put it in, it'll clip, and then slide this top piece in. Then we take the wiper blade and press it in. Take the protective cover off the blade, and that's it. You have a brand new wiper blade installed.